And now I do need to have my shot. I already prepared it, so what I'm having today is curcuma, black pepper, and ginger powder, half lemon, 10 drops of propolis, and a little bit of water again. Cheers. What a horrible thing. And my tea, which I'm not gonna record, otherwise it will take too long. See you later. As we say in Austria, Mahlzeit. Very nice. I was really expecting and waiting for the dinner moment. So, just to give you an update of today, woke up very early in the morning at 5:20. So I took my measurement. I made a video of my body, how it's looking like at the moment. Then I did my morning routine. So I scrubbed my tongue, brushed my teeth. I'm getting crazy. And I also had my shot, had my water, my tea, and then I ran to the gym. At the gym, I did lower body today, so yeah, I was so tired after that, but yeah, they completed. And then I went to the office. In the office, I had my green juice, similar to yesterday, same ingredients. After my green juice, it was already almost lunchtime, so I had soup as well with a little bit of olive oil. And for my afternoon snack, I had oatmeal with actually oat bran with a banana and almond milk. I didn't have the fig today because yesterday I was feeling very uncomfortable. I was having a lot of flatulence, just to use the technical decent word on my video, not to say fart. But I was having a lot of flatulence the whole evening, and I couldn't understand why. So I went to a document that I have with stating all FODMAPs. So FODMAPs are basically food that ferment very easily and very high in our body. So I don't really know the technicals, but when we eat a lot of FODMAPs, we tend to, fart a lot, have a lot of eructation, so we burp a lot as well, and we have this feeling of unwellness. Yeah, and I discovered, I checked that fig is one of those type of foods, so that's why I didn't have my fig today. What a pity. Yeah, that's it. So for you guys to understand what is this first week about. So this first week is really a cleansing week. When I did the program, the doctor that was following the group, she used to say that the program was really split into 3 parts. The attack phase, which would last for a week, which is this week. So let's talk about it a little bit. In the first 2 days, we really eliminate, we don't consume like protein sort of a source of food. I didn't consume eggs or fish or chicken or whey protein or anything else like that. Any protein that I would consume would be the one that comes within, like most of the other food that I was eating, which would be basically all the vegetables and fruit and so on and so forth, but not the protein per se. Yeah, and then from tomorrow on, thank God, it would only last for 2 days. And from tomorrow on, I am able and entitled to eat again protein. What is the other thing I want to talk about? Why the first 2 days we have a very clean, protein clean meals? Because it's recognized that as we eat, the way we eat, what we eat, when we eat, whatever, our microbiota, not microflora, is really imbalanced. And with that, we do need to change it. So we have good bacteria and bad bacteria, okay? And the problem is that with bad bacteria, we will be getting bloated, a lot of flatulence, a lot of eructation, and so on and so forth. And that feeling of feeling uncomfortable all day long. And our microbiota, and we do need to kill those bad bacteria. And how we kill them? Not giving them the food they eat. So when we eat a lot or when we eat unwell, what happens is our bad bacteria, they're just, eating. Our microbiota is unbalanced, and our body is not able to absorb and withdraw the nutrients that we are giving to our body from the food we eat. So that's why this first week is kind of the rough week, but I would say from tomorrow on I'm going to be very much okay. I'm going to be eating tomorrow. I will be eating eggs, so my breakfast will be 2 eggs. I can't wait for that. And watermelon. For lunch I'm going to have prawns with some vegetables. For lunch I'm going to have probably something with chicken. I also have shredded chicken that I did yesterday. I forgot to film that, but I do have it. And for dinner, I'm gonna have chicken. It will be an amazing day. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. There's something else I need to tell you. As this started as a finance YouTube channel, I did calculate how much it costs me to eat today and yesterday. So I calculated, and everything summed up to €3.83. So the green juice that I had cost me 135 cents. Okay, then my oatmeal that I had cost me €1.28. My soup, this soup that I'm consuming, each portion, I had 4 portions, each portion cost me 0.98 cents, which is very good actually. And the chicken broth that the chicken foot broth that I ate yesterday, that I'm also consuming today with my soup, it cost me 22 cents. So it's not so expensive, right? And yeah, I'll be doing that every day so you can know how much I'm spending on food here in Vienna. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much, and bye-bye. Let's eat.